Hey guys, how's everything going? Well, I'm bringing you another tip from Fire and Aziz Ross on one of the flips that we're doing. This is a tip about window replacement. Now, a lot of rehabbers, when they get started, they tell you, oh, you got to go in and replace all the windows. Again, that's always based on the ARV, the property value after it's repaired. This is a smaller project. ARV is going to be like around 135. In that case, you don't want to replace the windows. Especially if they're not. If you see the window, it's not in the best condition as far as the appearance of it is, but there's no cracks in it or anything like that. You see down there may have been a little water getting inside, maybe from the seal or something like that, but that still doesn't mean you have to replace it. Basically what I do is I'll take the, if you see the pane right here, this part of the glass right here, you just tape the glass part of it. And you take a can of spray paint. In this case, I'm going to do black because it's a darker window, or you can do white, and you just spray paint the panes. It gives it that new, fresh look, especially when you're painting the whole house. And then in some cases, you replace the pane part of it, not the pane, but the base right here. It's just a piece of wood that you can take out and replace that. I'll show you on another window what we mean by that. And basically, like I said, it'll look like you have a brand new window when in all actuality, it's just the same old window. But what that does, it saves you time and it saves you a bunch of money. I'll show you this other one here, same house. See that window? Like I said, there's no cracks in it, anything like that, so you don't have to replace it. This little piece right here is a small crack in there. Because it's so small, I still wouldn't even worry about replacing it. Again, on this house, the ARV, I'm gonna show you another one where we're gonna replace the pane. The ARV on this one, like I said, it's about 135. So in that case, you wanna obviously make the most out of your profit there. So like I said, you don't have to replace the windows in this situation because they're not, like I said, they're not cracked or anything like that. So if you see this pane right here, we had to replace that because it was a little water. I think they got it in the past, but that's from the flashing on the roof, not actual window. So you just take, you buy a new piece of trim. They sell the window trim at most hardware stores, and you just put a new one on there and you paint it again. And then you paint the metal part of the glass, or in some cases it may be plastic. Again, then you save yourself a lot of time, and you're gonna save yourself, probably, $3 to $5 grand at least on replacing the windows, and a couple days. So that's another tip. Hope you guys like that tip. Stay tuned for the next one.